What are we doing today? Ready to talk about gay shit and get demonetized?
What?
So you ready to talk about gay shit and get demonetized?
I can't swear, right?
You can't say like fuck, shit, dick, piss, ass, cunt.
That's fucking gay.
Yeah, it's fucking weird though, cause like you can say the shit like. Nah, I probably can't say that either.
Where's my beer?
In the fridge, you fuckhole.
Fuck you, dude. Suck it up now.
Dude, I'll fucking suck your dick, show you how gay you are right now.
Fucking what? Oh yeah. That's spicy.
Ah, that's the bumper hitting me around. Yep. That's not gonna fit. I need a low profile jack like yesterday. That's not gonna fit at all. Perfect. All right. Oh God. Ah, that's not safe at all. Oh my God. How do I get the back to be like that all the time?
Oh God.
Horrendous.
This looks horrible.
Well, that's an understatement. That'd be awesome if the car fell off the jack stand and everything just fucking broke.
Like and subscribe. You're gonna title it like working on car gone sexual 18 plus. You got like 20 fucking views.
Okay, one, I was going to title it How to Install the CTS Turbo Muffler Delete on an 8P83 Gen 1 TSI, but that's a much better title that you're pitching. So
You're just gonna like one shot record the whole thing.
one stretch, cut, chop, hate myself, all into like 10 minutes.
Whoa, you cleaned the garage.
No, it didn't. I just moved the dirt around. I need a 5mm Allen wrench socket. Ah, fuck, that's the one that's missing, isn't it? Yeah, it's broken. 3/16. That's probably close, right? I'm gonna regret all of this. I just remembered I have a skid plate. Ah, fuck. I hope the bolts are still there. No, they are not.
Like they're not existent?
No, well, they are. The heads aren't. Oh, those ones are good. These ones are fucked. What the hell happened here? Oh my God, what the fuck happened here? Jesus, hell. That's scary. Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, at least the skid plate does its job. Wait, can I get this without hold on. I'm gonna try it without doing the whole thing, and then I don't have to, you know, do this stuff. That's a T30, T25. No. Nope. ACS should make these bolts recessed. Because I'm sick of changing these bolts every 3 months. Okay, we got one. Fuck you. Fuck off. Why? Okay. Number 3. Fuck you. Fuck. Oh, you fucking slut. Fuck off. Fuck off. I've almost got it a quarter turn. Fuck off. God damn it. Lower your car, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Well, I'm kind of getting it. God, that sucked. Oh, what the fuck? Now the washer's stuck? Fuck you. Okay. Cool. It's art. Okay, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. What were we doing?
I'll find out.
Drinking.